Sahih Al-Bukhari 3209, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam said, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves a person, he calls Jibreel saying, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves so and so. O Jibreel, love him. Jibreel alaihi salam would love him and make an announcement amongst the inhabitants of the heaven, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves so and so, therefore you should love him also. And so all the inhabitants of the heaven would love him, and then he is granted the pleasure of the people on the earth. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3210, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha. I heard Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, the angel descend the clouds and mention this or that matter decreed in the heaven. The devils listen stealthily to such a matter come down to inspire the soothsayers with it, and the latter would add to it 100 lies of their own. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.